Hi, Dr. Steve Bjorn here. I'm looking forward to our time together at the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop. It's going to be fun, especially if you are looking for natural treatment and healing options without medications, injections, and surgery. If you're looking to get back to normal again, naturally, this is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 single biggest mistake back pain and sciatica sufferers make, and how it can cause a lot of problems. Most people that we see have trouble with standing, walking, sitting, driving, getting in and out of their car, yard work, housework, things along those lines. Usually during the workshop, we will treat somebody live from the audience just to show how well natural treatment can work. In the last workshop we hosted, we had somebody who was really skeptical. She had had pain for years. She'd been to 4 other physical therapists. She'd had chiropractic treatments. She had epidural injections. She tried everything. She had pain, numbness, and tingling running the whole way down her legs to her toes. Her biggest problem was with standing and walking. She really struggled. With any problem that we have in life, there are 3 basic things we can do. The #1 most common thing that we do is ignore the problem. Ignoring a problem usually sounds like excuses. We say things like, well, I'm just getting old, or I have always had back pain, or I had an injury when I was younger, or it's the weather, or I've tried everything. We blame it on our genetics, or our job, the fact that we sit all day. There are a million different things that we can blame it on, but none of that is really getting to the source of the problem, helping us get back to normal. Here's what happens. If we take a look at our life, we map out all the activities that we do. We have some that are really, really intense. They would be on the outside here. Then we have some that are easier, that are on the inside here. This lady limited herself by basically saying, every time I stand or walk for 15 minutes, I get pain. I asked, what do you do? She said, well, I don't stand or walk for 15 minutes. If standing or walking are here in terms of intensity, we basically take them out. So we might have other activities out here such as running, lifting weights, running a vacuum cleaner, or something like that. Less intense than that is sitting, driving, getting dressed. You get the idea. Well, eventually, if we continue to ignore the cause of your back pain and sciatica, what happens? It was exactly what was starting to happen with her. We lose those activities. Of course, we can simply compensate or change the way we do things. That is just ignoring what is really going on. Eventually what happens is we get to the point where we can only sit or sleep. Unfortunately, many times, that is when we are seeing somebody here in physical therapy. They're waiting this long, and now they have been told that they need surgery. If they don't get surgery, they're not going to be able to walk. Basically, people wait until they lose all of these other areas of their life, all because they are ignoring the cause of their pain. At the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop, I'm going to show you exactly how we can help you with your pain, so you can get back to living your normal life again.